Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you Pacbrake's Alpha HD line of air springs. For the rest of this video, from here on out, I'm going to be calling them airbags because that's stuck in my head and I can't remember to say air springs. All right, so here we go. So Pacbrake's Alpha HD line of airbags, we have carried Pacbrake airbags for a long time. They make a great product. Today's trucks every year coming out with higher payloads, higher towing capacities, and likewise, trailer manufacturers, the goosenecks are getting bigger, the campers are getting bigger, light duty trucks, and I'm speaking about F2 or 3/4 ton to ton trucks, are towing more than they did 10 years ago, more than they did 5 years ago. It's definitely pushing, in my opinion, some of these light duty trucks, and you get a big enough camper per se, you probably, even in an F350, sometimes you think to yourself, I could probably use 1.5 tons here, or maybe even a big truck, but that's a video for a different story. Pacbrake is here to help with that. Now, with these payloads that you guys are towing, you're getting sag in the suspension, maybe even bottoming out in the suspension in some cases, and you don't want that. That's going to give you an uncomfortable driving experience for the truck. It's going to make you nervous. Handling is going to be affected by that, and that's what the airbags do for the trucks. I definitely suggest anybody that's towing, doesn't matter if you're pushing the envelope of your payload and your towing capacities, or you're just towing a 5,000 pound trailer around with your truck, definitely suggest that you consider doing a set of airbags on the truck, because it will give you better stability, better control. It's going to increase the payload per tire, so that's going to give you more stability. It's just a very good upgrade for you to have on your truck. All right. So let's talk about what comes in the Alpha HD kit from Pacbrake and some of the features. Now, Pacbrake makes airbags for lots of different models, truck, light duty, and even some heavy duty applications. So this particular kit, Pacbrake has sent us for an installation video that we're going to be doing on a 2020 F350 Power Stroke single wheel. Now, this kit in particular is for that. So this is, at the time of this filming, this is part number HP 10401. And this is the kit that works for the 20 to 21 Power Strokes, F250 and F350 four-wheel drive trucks only. Really nice kit. Let's talk about the bags first. Well, let's talk about the product itself. The Alpha HD kits have a lifetime warranty. That's the first thing you need to know. Your lifetime warranty from Pacbrake is a very good thing, and it just shows the quality of the product because they're willing to stand behind of it for the life of it. Inside of your package that you get, there will be a form for you to fill out. You fill it out, send in your receipt with it, and then that will start your warranty period with Pacbrake. So enough about that and the fine details. The bags, this is the centerpiece of these kits. These bags are redesigned, and they are very heavy duty. The bags have aluminum end caps on them, and it's actually got a 20 wire support inside of these bags. They are going to go the life of your truck. You're not going to have any problems with them. They are a very heavy duty, very heavy duty bag. Even when this bag is inflated, it's not going to feel thin. It's not going to feel weak to you. It's just it's a very tough bag. It's going to be able to stand what you throw at it in these heavier payloads. Now, this kit in particular, this is a no drill, no cut kit, which is huge. You just bolt it on in your driveway and you're ready to go. Now, this air spring kit itself, or airbag kit itself, this does not come with a compressor, it doesn't come with an actuator, it doesn't come with anything. You can add that. We have several different compressors and several different switch kits that you can go with, but this kit out of the box is definitely still functional. You can purchase this kit as is. It comes with airlines with Schrader valves on them, and I'm actually going to walk closer to the camera and show that. These are airlines with Schrader valves on them. You put these in closer to your bumper, and you can add air to them with your air compressor at home, and you can actually add air to one side or the other. Really nice, really nice feature because it's right out of the box. You don't have to buy all the other fancy bells and whistles. Fully functional if you just use those Schrader valves. And I'll show you the bags. The bags are the centerpiece of all this. Let's look at that. You've got your aluminum end caps on those. You got your 20 wire wound in there, so it's very rigid, very stable. Very nice bag. Very nice bag. The bracketry on here, again, Pacbrake worked to make this a no drill kit, and that takes engineering and that takes time in the design portion of that. Each one of these brackets is laser cut, and they're also powder coated, so you're not going to have to worry about these rusting out on you. and flaking off. They're powder coated, they're very, very nice, laser cut, they're very exact to the fit and finish of the truck, so you're not gonna have to ream out any holes or anything like that. Pacbrake takes it another step. Even the small brackets, even the little keepers in here, those are laser cut and powder coated as well. Really, really nice. Comes with all grade 5 hardware, so no cheap crap as far as the bolts go. It comes with really, really good instructions, full color instructions, and Pacbrake does an awesome job on their instructions. They actually do blueprints of the vehicle and where it's going, shows you exactly how it fits up, so you don't have any questions. And that's a big thing for a DIY guy in your driveway, because you don't want to get something tore down, not be able to put it back together. Pacbrake is going to send the instructions in the kit, which is a really, really nice feature in today's market, because a lot of people are taking instructions out. Pacbrake puts them in. They go the extra mile to make this kit not only affordable to you, but worth the money and giving the consumer everything they need for a complete installation. So the Alpha HD kit, if you guys are towing, definitely suggest going with these airbags. You will not be sorry. If you have a question about Pacbrake products or any other products that we sell, just give us a call, like and subscribe to our channel. And inside this video, we're actually going to link you to a page where you can go and you can purchase this kit for your 20 or 21 Ford F-250 and F-350. Thanks for watching.